If you cannot find the LDAC option in the Bluetooth device settings on a Realme GT7T, the reason why this happens, it might be due to the app that you may have installed recently for your Bluetooth device. In my case, for my earbuds, I have installed this app over here, and the reason why the LDAC option is missing is actually the settings of sound quality. If I go over here, I can choose the sound quality, I can choose the priority, whether the connection should be the priority, or the sound quality. So in this case, if I choose connection, then the LDAC option is removed. But if I switch to sound quality, and if I go back to the Bluetooth settings, as you can see right now, LDAC is once again available. So essentially, you want to find the sound quality settings in the app of your Bluetooth device and make sure that the sound quality is selected, and then go back to the Bluetooth settings in order to find the LDAC option. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.